Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome to another update of our Hub Studio. Update lang naman, hindi pa ito yung full na studio tour. So, come on, let's go! First off is this table. Actually, ito yung dati kong office table but I decided na gawin ko na lang siyang filming table. And makita nyo bakit merong chair dito na hindi nagmamatch kasi ito yung dating table sa dati naming office. Hindi pa namin siya na ibababa kasi magulo pa nga. So, kaysa alikabukan, dito muna siya temporarily mag-stay. And ito yung mga makeup na ginagamit ko, mga things to film pa. So, ito ang ating nesting table na very beautiful. It's by Tama Metalworks. And also, our console table. Hindi pa namin naalis yung plastic dahil hindi pa nga tayo completely moved in. Wow! And this is my favorite diffuser from Bangyang. Kung nagtataka kayo, ano ba itong napakalaking pink, it's gonna be the Hof plus signage. Since office nga siya, we need to have like parang brand name, ganyan. So, parang accent wall na din dito yan. My friend, Kishan, she's an artist. She's gonna parang paint pa muna dito before we install yung letters ng HOF plus. So, it's gonna be an acrylic na installation dyan. I'm so excited kung ano magiging itsura niya. So, we have here some decors. This is a custom na chest drawer designed by my interior designer, Elise. This was made by Aspecto Custom Furniture. And it's a push to open. So, yan. Here, makita niyo yung stash ko ng food na hindi ko sinishare. Charot. So, I have here my Fit to Glow coffee. If you've been following me on my Instagram, ganyan, makita nyo, doon na, I've been taking it for 3 weeks already. And so far, I'm loving it because namamanage niya yung weight ko kahit na nakapapakain na ako ng normal. Yung weight ko, na may maintain niya ng nasa ganong range. I'm on my 68 kilograms. So, ayan, na may maintain niya kahit parang kain ako ng mga weekend, mga splurges, ganyan. Hindi ako nag-gain. So, that's really good for me. And on the other drawer, I have here some of my medicine, my vitamins, and my Fit to Glow apple juice naman. I drink this every afternoon, yan, or before I sleep. Kung kunyari yung may biglaang parang sweet cravings, I will just drink the apple juice. It's so good and perfect siya na pangpawala ng parang biglaang gutom. Kasi ako mahilig nga ako yung mag-snacks, ganon. So, at least when I just drink the juice, mawawala yung parang urge ko to eat. So, perfect yan. And some of here are like essentials, like some tissue, wipes. I really love the chair from Hando Furniture. And then, the mini fridge. Though, ililipat pa namin siya from there to there. Kaya lang, yung mga luma nga naming furniture nandyan. And this table is super long. I love it kasi ang dami namin pwedeng ibatong. But this is also custom by our contractor, Quali Built. Ang ganda ng detailing niya, guys. Natural wood lang siya. And some drawers. And ang office space ni Crenel. So, ayan ang ating update. The next clips, I will be showing you guys yung ating unboxing some of the appliances na meron tayo dito. So, ayan. Enjoy! Unbox na rin natin ang TV na kasama sa Samsung Galaxy Fold. Actually, yung TV may libreng cellphone. Ayan, galing to sa aking kapatid na binigyan niya ng libre. Yes!
Sasabi mo?
Libre yan. So, ito ang 55-inch Samsung Crystal UHD. So, buksan natin dahil tingnan natin kung umaandar. Tsaka, oh, game. Ooh, girl. Ang hirap. Wala pa 100%
yun.
2, 3. Hanggang.
Oo nga, next time.
Oh, nice!
Yun, nagkataon lang nakabawa. Pwede na.
Yun! Ayan, so nilagyan na natin yung battery. Akala ko wala siyang battery, in fairness. Samsung. Tingnan natin kung mag-on siya. On ka. Ayan!
Wow!
So, smart TV siya. Iba siya sa Android TV, guys. Ano yan?
Diba?
Ang daming requirements para naman itong nagpaano.
Ibig sabihin, hindi parang Samsung phone.
Kaya nga.
Hindi ka naman sila na Samsung eh.
Oh, yay!
Okay,
TV ready, please.
ayun, yun eh! Oh, YouTube!
So guys, malaki pinagkaiba ng Android TV sa Smart TV. Yung Android, yung pwede ka mag-download ng apps. As ito, may preloaded apps na siya. Okay lang naman siya sa akin kasi usually Netflix and YouTube lang. Tsaka meron akong Chromecast. So, it's fine.
Video.
Sana kayanin ng net. Ito yung mga bura-bura. Kaya ganyan. Ang linaw! Parang totoo. Ayan, ang taray. Ay!
Ayan ba?
Wow! So, ayan. At least umaandar na. Ay, baka makapiright pa tayo nito ni Unbelievable Beauty. Anyway, so ito na ang ating bagong TV. Care of Mig. Thank you so much. Ayan mo ba? Hi guys! Maglalabas tayo ng bagong collection. Siguro by the time that you see this vlog, available na po siya sa ating Shopee. Shopee.ph/HelenOnFleek. So we will be releasing basics collection and also additional items para sa ating Hof Plus Dream Collection. And yan, I'm so excited. So ito yung isa sa ating bagong basics. I really love it kasi very 90s yung dating na with the buttons. Ayan. And ang secret. Charot. Hello guys! So, another update regarding the studio. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, nabubuo na siya and may gamit na tayo. Yung isa pang super nice na surprise sa akin ng brother ay binila niya ako ng personal fridge. Ayan. Dumating siya kanina and I'm super excited to show it to you guys kasi ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng personal fridge. Let's open it. Sa ASOS namin siya nakuha. Kasi ito yung pinakamalapit na appliances store dito sa Painta. So, paano ko siya tatanggalin? Should I sira the box? Ay, mag-ilalim! Kabog! Tada! Oh, pa. Ganun pala yun. Oh! Wait lang. Anong color niya? Nasaan yung harap? Sabi silver. Gray. Gray! Ang dumating. Anyway, bagay pa din naman siya. Though, na-expect ko lang ay silver. The personal ref. It's a 1.7 cubic personal ref. So, let's open. Tining! Super nice! Ayan. So, meron tayong ice tray and freezer. Ayan. Tapos, naka-tape pa siya. Boom! Meron tayong ice freezer. Tapos may kasama siya. Yan. Meron siya kasamang ice tray na isa. And meron siya kasamang scraper. Itong personal fridge, hindi ko naman siya pinaforesee na tipong may mga ulam, ganyan. Pero, kasi syempre, yung mga inumin, ganyan. Kasi may nakakatamad din kung bumababa para lang inom ng tubig, di ba? And then you get the manual. Hirap din natin paano lumamig. Charot. Tapos, ito yung mga nilagyan ng mga bottles, ganyan. So, nice siya kasi, pang inumin nga siya, tsaka mga kaunting food. So, yan. Ito na ang ating personal fridge. Nakakatuwa. Dati, sinasabi ko sa bahay ko, pag magkakaroon ng sariling bahay, gusto ko din ng personal fridge sa aking kwarto. And, ayan, sa office natin ngayon, meron na tayo. Thanks, bro! Ayan, shout out sa aking kapatid na si B-Boy sa pagbigay ng ref. So, I hope you guys enjoyed ang ating studio update and I really am looking forward na matapos na everything. Also guys, on my Hello Glow journey, I will keep you guys updated kasi I'm on my 3rd week. Let's see kung maglulose ako, pero so far, I'm really liking na maintain niya yung weight ko kasi it's better for me to maintain rather than to gain pa. So, okay lang sa akin yun na hindi ako masyado naglulose. At least, maintain ko yung weight ko and it's not so bad naman for me. Ayan, this is it for today's video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram at HelenOnFleek, on Facebook and Twitter at HelenOnFleek. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Bye!